Oh my gosh, yet one more belief has been structurally proven correct in the Quran. When I was a kid, I learned of the Big Bang Theory. But I learned of the Big Bang Theory outside of the school that I went to. I went to a Christian school. And so when I heard of the Big Bang Theory, my childlike brain was like, oh, that makes total sense. That if God so willed it to create the universe, then of course it would be like one big bang happened and everything was created. That makes total and utter sense to me, right? And that like it would be a very volatile time, because if it's ever growing and everything like that, then it would take time to construct the planets and to make gravity. Like, but if God so willed, then there's no miracle that could be too big, right? That made total sense. And I remember going up to my youth pastor, not the youth pastor that taught me Judaism, but the youth pastor before him. And I was like, I know how God created the earth. I know how God created the earth. God did it with the Big Bang. And I remember being told very clearly that you can't confirm God with science, and that you have to rely purely on faith. That when God created the earth, he created the earth. And that when God created the planets, he created the planets. And that we should just trust that the way that God created it is outside of our realm of understanding. And yet, Surah 21, 30, miracles in the universe. Do the disbelievers not realize that the heaven and the earth were once one mass, then we split them apart, and we created from water every living thing? Will they not then believe? In the footnote says, this probably refers to the event commonly known as the Big Bang. I feel like I have been a Muslim my entire life. My entire life. And this isn't even the question that I'm waiting to be answered. It's amazing.